Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show guys how can you on guys your screen tap sound in your Vivo phone guys. The screen touch sound guys you want to on in your phone, so you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on screen tap sound in our Vivo phone guys. So guys, now let's see. So when first of all open your phone setting to on your touch sound, and guys scroll it. As you can see your sound settings. So guys tap here. Again scroll guys, and as you can see your touch sound in the Vivo phone. So as you want to on it, so as you can on from here guys, the right side guys, tap here to on it. Then guys you can see this touch sound setting in your Vivo phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on screen tap sound in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.